Zija International is constantly searching for the greatest that nature has to offer. We recognize the significance of living a healthy and active lifestyle, as well as using natural ingredients to eradicate everyday problems. While our nutritional supplement products have completely revolutionized the health and wellness world, we're taking it to a whole new level, one drop at a time. Introducing Ameo Essential Oils. Ame means soul in French. Rico means rich in Spanish. Together, they create Ameo, a line of products that's enriching to the soul. Essential oils are naturally produced liquids obtained from nature's most generous trees, herbs, plants, seeds, and fruits. They have been highly valued and used throughout history for their advantageous therapeutic and medicinal properties. Essential oils can solve thousands of problems, improving the health and well-being of all who use them. There are 3 different ways to experience Ameo essential oils. Aromatically, which involves smelling or inhaling the oil directly through the nose or mouth. Internally, or swallowing the oils. And topically, applying the oils to the skin. Extracting essential oils requires sizable amounts of raw botanicals. For example, it takes about 150 pounds of lavender flowers to produce just 1 pound of Ameo True Lavender Oil. This makes our oils highly concentrated, potent, and valuable. Steam distillation is the most common method of extracting essential oils. Through this process, the botanical is condensed into highly concentrated and pure liquid, ready for use. Cold pressing distillation is also used to extract certain oils, especially citruses like lemon, tangerine, and bergamot. Purity and quality are the 2 most important aspects of any essential oil. Both affect its therapeutic value, aroma, color, potency, and when applicable, flavor. We take pride in the purity and quality of all Ameo essential oils, which is evident in our precise and correct sourcing, validating, and delivering processes. All of these steps are overseen by the Ameo Scientific Advisory Board. To properly source Ameo essential oils, we have developed valuable relationships with farmers around the world who perform cutting-edge, eco-friendly, sustainable, and ethical growing and harvesting practices. Once we receive the distilled oils, we validate each batch through a series of tests to ensure that they are safe, natural, and effective. While any company that sells oils for therapeutic use should perform these tests, Ameo goes above and beyond. Our oils must meet strict certified requirements, which is a series of tests available exclusively to Ameo. Certified validation ensures that our oils match or exceed the quality of oils used in clinical and peer-reviewed scientific studies, and that they are cell-active and permeable, meaning that they are easily and consistently absorbed by the body's cells the way they were meant to be. Because we're so confident in the quality and purity of our oils, we've created a complete Ameo Difference system. Product users can go to ameodifference.com, enter the unique batch code on the bottom of their bottle, and instantly gain access to the tests performed on that batch of oil and their results. We also include videos of the oil permeating live cells. Once our oils are certified validated, we continue incorporating stringent delivery practices to ensure that the end user receives all of their benefits. We set out to create a product line that will help you continue to feel your best, look your best, be your best, and have the energy and vitality needed to enjoy your life. This new life begins with the numerous benefits of using Ameo essential oils on a daily basis. We invite you to take advantage of this amazing new product line and business opportunity. Pure nature, sound science, rich life. Welcome to Ameo Essential Oils.